Hello, my name is Abe Barrett. I don't know if it's supposed to be plugged in or not, but I'm doing the song Rain tonight. And tomorrow you'll be able to check this out. You can go to Soul of Wood at zenfolio.com. Again, that is Soul of Wood at zenfolio.com. This is original that I wrote a little while ago, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
So pure to wash the stains of today, pouring answers from this ancient place. Tears so scattered make sense in the sand. Hearts of children mark the way of man. The
very much. That was Rain. Again, you can pick up these albums at Soul of Wood at zenfolio.com. Thank you very much.
I'll call you in a second.